Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so we're trading 44.50. We traded as high as 67.5 on Friday, 69.5 in the Globex. Took it back to 41. We're really battling over this 50 area. Call it 50 to 56. You've got hourly mid-band coming in at 56. Volume weighted average price, 53.5. Your daily pivot today is 53 even. We've got our proprietary moving average down at 48. 5-minute mid is 46. So really 46 to 56 on the very short term on a 5-minute chart is what they've been battling over. So about 6:15 in the morning, they traded down to that 41 area, and they've bounced it, 10 handles or so from there. The battle's going to be over 44.50. We opened it on Friday at 44.52. So that's, that's going to be an area. They engaged the upper Bollinger Band on Friday. So the bulls are close to, if they can get up into it's going to take a day. I mean, they're going to have to put in a day. They'll probably have to print 80 today if they're going to do it. So it's not necessarily a high probability outcome, but they're closing in on an upper band ride. And if they can do that, then they can keep dragging these shorts up a bit. So, going back to last week, Tuesday, Wednesday, we hold this, this 17-ish area. 17, 18 area after the 42.60 from the week before, the inability to take out 42.80. The Bears had a really nice opportunity here at 21.5 with the rejection to make a lower low. They didn't. They made a higher low. Then they made a higher high. And then we took out this high, which was, 44.72 from back on the 27th of September. Once that gets taken out, then really there's nothing to stop a 4,500 print except for the bulls. They can only stop themselves at this point, unless you get a nasty piece of news. Hourly chart, Tuesday, Wednesday, we drew that box. They held the bottom of the box. They broke out, and they really haven't stopped. So you had directional days Thursday, directional day Friday, a little bit of a pullback. You can see these hourly Bollinger Bands are pretty, they're pretty tight, relatively speaking. Bollinger Band width is what? 0.53, 0.54. That's tight. It's not epic, but it's tight. So could we consolidate today? Sure. Does it need to consolidate? Probably. We were trading 43.20, 43.17 on Wednesday. It's Monday morning, and we traded as high as 44.71. So, 120, 30, 40, 50 handles later, it has every right to bounce around between the Bollinger Bands for a day. So don't discount that we might get a lazy Monday, and keep that in perspective that, okay, we want to churn for a day. Well, it's probably due to churn for a day. Not a huge deal. Not a huge deal. The volatility has been fantastic. So keep an eye on this 50 day to the downside. Your new weekly pivot's there at 44.16 and change. Again, 46 to 56 off the open is really going to be the key. The Bears would really like to close below the Friday low, which was 44.26 quarter. They don't necessarily have to go take out the weekly pivot in a day, the whole thing. But if you could print and close below the Friday low, at least at that point, the conversation is, okay, well, they haven't totally gone away. What do the bulls want to do? They want to take out the Globex high. They certainly have to close above 44.50. I think they'd like to close above 44.75, and that sets up tomorrow. As those two scenarios come out of my mouth, I tend to think it's more likely that we churn for a day and we set something up. So I'll be pleasantly surprised if we really move today, but it seems to be setting up for a consolidation day. So just be ready for that. Okay, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. Come join the free Facebook group. We're doing a live training on Thursday. Come join the chat room. There's live trading for the paid members in there tomorrow at noon. And come check out our new setup format along with worst case entry prices, and that has really done wonders for people. Everybody have a fantastic day. Trade them well, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.